Well, I just installed Void Linux the other day, and I just wanted to show off sort of a hack that I did. This is Ice Weasel. No, Ice Cat. That's what they call it now. With I'm using two add-ons here in conjunction. So there's this panorama tab groups and this tridactyl. The tab groups thing lets you have well, I'll just show you what it does. It lets you create these groups of tabs, and then what happens is um, it'll show just the ones in your group, and then it'll hide all the other tabs. Okay? So, another thing that the other extension that I mentioned, I already forget the name, but it's just kind of like Vim. So, you can browse the web with just your keyboard. It's pretty dope. So these two plugins together, there's this feature. You press B. I don't remember what it's called. This this tab command. It lets you jump right to a tab. Okay, but what I was missing from the functionality of panorama view and um, the Vim emulator thing is jumping right to my group instead of like a specific tab in my group. Like, what if I don't know which tab I want, but I want to be in a specific group, right? Now, I could just uh, know which tabs are in which groups, but I would rather be able to just go directly to the group. So, what I did was I made um, several HTML files and I opened them in the browser. Right now they're just blank, but I set the title. So you can see where I'm going with this. So I've got my research tab, which I want to put like miscellaneous shit in there. Like whenever I want to figure something out or whatever and open a bunch of tabs, I'll go into this group and I'll shit up this group. But say I want to go work, and right now what I'm doing is uh, fuck whatever. So like right now I'm working on Free Code Camp, and I have um, this GitHub page, and so I'm just kind of installing Void, and so I can better understand how to maintain my system. But this is like the easiest solution I could come up with to being able to use this groups thing effectively, I guess you could say. Because I was before this, I was using Brave, which I've heard some questionable stuff about it, and also it's not available on Void Linux by default, and the maintainers don't want to add it, which for good reason. If I were them, I wouldn't add it either. So it's forced me to use like a Firefox derivative because all there is like Chromium on here, which I don't want to use. There's no de-googled Chromium or anything like that, so I'm trying out this Firefox fork, uh, IceCat, which so far so good. I really have no complaints about it. So I just wanted to share what I was working on today. Really, I'll show you what I uh, CD project. I'm a slow typer. Forgive me. All right, I'll just go here. So I named this project Tab Groups. It's just you'll see how ridiculous this is. So it's literally just this. Like I made these, and I'll show you one of them. It's just that. And the title is the only thing that is important here. The head too. Well, it's all it's all there. Like I'm probably going to like customize those pages a little bit later because it's just a fucking white blank screen. Kind of ridiculous, but I'm pretty sure um, there's no way to like jump to a specific group as it is, which I find to be quite a flaw. And luckily, in combination with this Vim bullshit, it worked out just fine. I mean, this is fine. This will work, but it does feel very uh, I don't know, unpolished. I guess hacky. Uh, I'm really just dipping my toes into this Linux and programming shit, so expect more videos.